The 5th string open is the note A. That's where all these A chords get their name, because the root note is the open 5th string. The 5th string 2nd fret is a B, and I'm not just pressing a finger here, I'm actually maintaining my clawed hand position from lesson 1, so that when I go to add these other chords in a few minutes, it won't be that much extra to do. So if you could maintain your clawed position and just use one finger on the guitar. The 3rd fret is a C. The 5th fret is a D. Again, I'm moving my clawed hand position, I'm not letting it fall apart. My thumb is also moving as a unit behind. It's not falling behind. The 7th fret is an E. The 8th fret is an F. 10th fret is G. And if you have a cutaway guitar like this, do you see the way it allows the hand to get in? Or if you have an electric guitar, you can go to the 12th fret or even higher, which is back to A. And I've still maintained my clawed hand position.